Hi everyone, Sam Fields here from Matter Solutions. Today we're going to be discussing how to write good Google ad text. Good Google ad text is important because it can lower your cost per click, it introduces your brand, and of course it makes you stand out from the competition in the search results. Let's get the intro happening and let's roll. In order to write really effective and quality ad text, you need to focus on the phrase, appeal to the human and satisfy the AI. Appealing to the human will obviously increase your clicks and your conversions, while satisfying the AI, and what I mean by AI is the algorithm from Google, that means that you'll get a lower cost per click. You see, a human searching for your product or service has the intent to buy. Now you need to appeal to them so that they go to your website and not your competitors. In order to satisfy the AI, you need to firstly make sure that your keywords are correct. Secondly, you need to make sure that your ads are written with Google best practice guidelines in mind. And third, the whole thing should be written in a way that Google's algorithm can read the ad really clearly in order to get a higher quality score. Bad ad text can tank your ad really quickly. Say you're a plumber and people are searching for plumber leaky sink. Now of course, if your ad text starts talking about a hot water system, then they're not going to click on your ad. You need to write that ad in a way that is going to be appealing to the person's search intent, and that would be plumber leaky sink. Say you're an emergency plumber in Brisbane and you're looking to make your ad appealing. Now, one of the things that you could do is write emergency plumber Brisbane, no call out fee 24/7. Instead of the alternative, which would be emergency plumber, inquire now. Because obviously saying that you've got no call out fee 24/7 is much more appealing and much more immediate than just saying inquire now. So if your ad doesn't satisfy the intent or appeal to the human, then your click-through rate drops, your quality score drops, which increases your cost per click. And of course, when you're paying less cost per click, you're getting more clicks out of your budget, which means more people to your website who might convert. If you're looking to get more information about quality scores, click-through rate, and a range of other topics, they're either on the screen now or we're going to be uploading them in the next few weeks. Stick around. We're looking forward to seeing you back on this channel.